Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create a dental estimate from the diagnosis observation screen. From the diary screen, click on the booking of the patient for whom you would like to create an estimate. On the side panel, click on the dental button. The diagnosis observation screen will open. Click on the orange switch screen button next to the green observation diagnosis mode heading. The screen has been changed to the treatment planning mode screen. Notice that the switch screen button's color has changed to green. At the bottom of the treatment planning mode screen, there is a billing section that will fill in automatically as the planning of the treatment is done. Notice the frame around the screen is green. This is an invoice. Click on the New Estimate button indicated by a plus sign to change the invoice to an estimate. Type a name for the estimate in the attention pop-up that has appeared. Click OK to save. Click on the estimate that has just been created at the top of the billing section. The color of the frame around the screen is orange. This shows you that this is now an estimate. Add the items just as it would have been done if it was an invoice. The red trash can will delete all the lines on the estimate. The Complete All button will complete all the items on the list and will move them over to the Invoice tab. The Move To button allows you to move all items to a different estimate. The Delete Line button will allow you to delete the corresponding line. The Add button will add a line to the estimate. The Move To button will allow you to move the line item to another estimate. By ticking the Complete Line checkbox, the line item will be invoiced and can be viewed by clicking on the Invoice tab in the Billing section. Click on the Invoice tab in the Billing section to view the items that have just been completed. To return to the estimate, click on the Estimate tab that you wish to return to. In the next video, we will show you how to email and download the estimate from the observation diagnosis screen.